Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm really glad to share my IPO success experience. That is how I made 39% profit in 13 days. Let's get started. Harsha Engineers International Limited IPO. I had applied for 8 lots. Out of 8 lots, luckily I got only 1 lot allotted. 1 lot consists of 45 shares and the issue price was about 330. Listing price was 444. I applied for the IPO on 14 September and I sold my allotted shares on 26 September. You might have a question on your mind. How much have you invested? What was the profit percentage, profit amount, and the investment period? Let's look at the interesting details right now. My investment period was 13 days. As I stated, I had applied for 8 lots, that is 8 into 45 shares into 330, which is 1,18,800 was my blocked amount for 8 lots, meaning the amount was not debited from my account. It was just blocked for some days. During the IPO allotment, I received only 1 lot, which was 45 shares into 330, that is 14,850. And this amount got debited from my account after the allotment. And the remaining amount, 1,03,950, was unblocked. Now listen carefully. My issue price was 330 and that was my buying price. I sold all my allotted 45 stocks at 460 price, which was my selling price. So I made a profit of about 5,854 rupees. So my profit percentage was 39.42%. And one important thing to note, my 1,18,000 amount was blocked between this period. By God's grace, I received a good amount of return on this IPO. 2 weeks earlier, I'd posted a video about this IPO. That time I'd mentioned that I was going to apply for this IPO. Some of my friends are also applied for this IPO, but unfortunately they have not received any allotment. I came to know that they had applied with 1 or 2 lots. If the lots are lesser, then the chances would also be lesser. Let me share my trade reference. Look at this. In fact, I should have waited for some more higher price, around 480 to 500 levels. But I made up my mind to exit with 39% profit in the volatile market. The current market situation seems somewhat risky for the short term. That was the reason. We have seen the positive side so far. Let me also share the IPO risk. As I mentioned, I had applied for 8 lots, that is 8 into 45, 360 quantities. And this is my assumption, not in reality. If in a worst case situation, if all my shares got allotted, because of my bad market or bad luck, the listing price went down to 297 from 330, then what would have happened was, I would have made 10% loss. It would be nearly around 12,000 rupees. But my loss probability was very low, since the grey market premium was rupees 130 as per IPO Watch website. See, I'm investing in a good company with strong conviction, so why should I worry? And now we have come to the end of the session. I hope you got some idea on the IPO success strategy. In short, I would say, if you're applying for an IPO with more number of lots, then there will be higher chances of winning the IPO allotment. If you have multiple demat accounts, you can also apply with various accounts. This also increases the chances of getting it. I believe the video was very informative and helpful. Thank you for watching the video. As usual, stock market is subject to market risk. Please read all the disclaimers carefully before you make any investments. All the very best for all your future investments. Happy investing. Take care. Bye-bye.